Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros, also for Responding Fire. We're going to talk about the winter storm coming up this weekend, and it's looking very probable at this time. We've been very consistent over the last couple days with the models, so I'm pretty confident in the forecast that my first call numbers that you'll see here shortly. But I'll show you what's going on. This is coming from the south, so we know it's a storm, one of those type of storms that's pretty interesting. This is actually into Sunday. Saturday we'll get it also, but Sunday it really picks up and it's heavy over the time frame, and then it'll lighten down Monday before it moves out. It's pretty strong low at 996, and like I said, how far north this goes, it's pretty much cutting here right around the DC area, south. At this point, it could go a little further north, but that's pretty much the only thing that may happen to change this, which wouldn't be good for us because it actually would increase the snowball totals. So we take a look at the data. This is actually the GFS, pure out shot. There's Roanoke right there, Bedford County, 12 inches. We're talking about a foot of snow. GFS has been pretty solid, outputting anywhere from 8 inches to a foot of snow for 4 days, 5 days straight. So this is pretty strong evidence. We go to the GFS, the new GFS, assuming this is a 10 to 1 FV3 model, and it's even higher. We're talking about 13 to 15 inches. And we're not even talking about when we get to Canadian, because then we're talking about 20 plus inches of snow. European model. Let's see, Roanoke's right here. Let's take a look at the thing here. Anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. And I think this is going to be closer to what everything else is showing, which is a foot of snow. But because of that, I've adjusted what my first call will be, and it will likely increase. Okay, so takeaways from this in my first call: snowstorm is likely for this weekend. It's pretty much going to happen. Timing is still a little rocky. The time's been going from early Saturday morning till Saturday afternoon when start time, so it's still a little shaky, and it'll go through Monday at least midday. Models showing GFS, like I said, 9 to 13, the Canadian 18 to 22, and the Euro 8 to 16. My current first call will be 6 to 13 inches, and I will likely be increasing this total as the confidence even grows further. Heavy snow will lead to little travel, and travel will become dangerous after the snow starts. Some advice: hit the stores now early and get supplies, and don't forget your pets or your medication. Also, another idea would be go to the ATM in case you lose power. I'm not sure it's going to be a power outage type of storm, but I would say if people drive on the roads and hit poles, that could happen. So please I would go to the stores now, get the supplies you need, the salt, the shovels, the food that you need, non-perishable would be the best. Make sure you don't forget your pets, get your pets food, and don't forget about your medication. Make sure you're fully stocked. Stay tuned for updates, and we'll keep you updated here at the Weather Pros. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon.